Container gardening for beginners. Let's garden together. This isn't a challenge. We'll go through the ups and downs together. If you've never grown anything before, I'm going to give you 3 or 4 seeds that you can grow. It's going to give you a lot of food. I'm going to plant along with you as advertised. If you haven't planted yet, you're still in fine shape. We'll only be a couple days apart, but I can still show you what you need to do. This will be a new series, us planting together. And every couple days, we'll take a look at it. I hope you join me for that. And we did the hard part. We went shopping. You got to have a container. An old coffee can will actually work. Just got to make sure you have drain holes. Get some soil. Leave some space at the top. That's important because we want to mulch once these things start growing. The 3 kinds of seeds I recommend for beginning gardeners in a container garden: radishes, of course, lettuce, and cherry tomatoes. Cherry tomatoes are going to give you a huge harvest. You're going to be surprised. Fill your container. Leave yourself a couple inches, about to the second knuckle. Leave yourself a little room. That's going to be important because we're going to put mulch there once these start sprouting. I got 5 seeds in there. I'm going to plant all 5 of them right in the center. And if they all 5 germinate, we can up pot them. And you just want soil contact right there. We got a nice mix of lettuce seeds. You can see the different kinds, different colors. I'm going to scatter these liberally across the top because these also transplant very well. Okay, I'm just going to put a light little bit more of the seed starting mix over the top of everything. Make sure everything's good and covered. And then we're going to lightly water it all in and just set this inside at a sunny window. Same thing with that. And in a few days, we're going to get some sprouts. I'm going to do this right along with you, and then I'll show you what we're going to do then. But we did the hard part. That was the shopping. Now we got our soil, and we got our seeds, and we've already planted, and that's all we have to do for tonight. And this is really how easy it is, and it's very fun. And I'm going to grow these 2 on my patio right along with you. If you got any questions, just leave a comment. We'll get this growing. Till next time, remember, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you.